Hi guys, welcome to the No Boss Empire show. How is everybody doing today? And in today's video, I am going to teach you how to make some lazy money using those photos sitting in your phone. Okay? I'm sure you guys have a lot of photos in your phone that just sitting around doing nothing. So why don't you pick a couple of good ones, upload it, and you never know, you can make a couple of bucks out of it. You know, $1 here, $5 here, $10 there adds up to it adds up to a lot of dollars. So you never know. Just get going. Just have a look when you're free. So here we are. Let's get down to business. We are going down to Shutterstock.com. This is a platform where you can upload your pictures and get paid. Okay, and for people for clients who actually use this, for users who use this platform, what they come here to do is to download pictures, royalty-free pictures, which means they can use those pictures for their brochures. They can use their pictures for their websites. They can use their pictures for their social media, whatever they need. Okay, so it is royalty-free. So you can see in here you can get photos. Photos play a big part. You can life at home exercise, open for business. At the moment we are into spring over the other side of the world. I am not in spring. I am in autumn, in fall. I have brown leaves everywhere. But to my friends in the United States, up in Europe, welcome spring. Okay, here you can see a lot of photos here where you can use it in your profile, in your website. Look at that. They're nice photos. I'm sure you guys can take these photos with the camera these days. Oh, sorry, that was my Facebook notification. Okay, and in here you can even get music. You can even get videos footage, where you can use them in YouTube. Let's do some footage home. So even if you have some lazy videos lying around, you never know. Okay, if you like to use your phone to take videos, look at this, check this out. I like to see the slow motion stuff. Okay, wind energy, you can see that it's like a drone shot. A girl looking at me. It's got mesmerizing eyes, doesn't she? So you get the gist, yes. So you can get all these things that you have and put it on, and you never know. Okay, you never know who will like it, because there is something for everyone. You just got to put it out there. If you don't put it out there and you leave it in your phone, nothing's gonna happen, guys. Even if you like to do music, if you're a bit of a DJ or something, you can start making music and just put it on. And somebody who needs the music for their video, podcast, whatever, you get paid. How good is that? So let's get down to, okay, how do we apply for this, create for the producer? So you go all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you got a little for contributors. It says sell your content. Okay, all you do is to click that sell your content, and you can go get started right here. Put in your full name, your display name, your email address, your password, tick the box for the terms and conditions, and go next, and you are in. After that, just verify your email, and that's all you need to be doing. And then from there, you can start uploading your photos, your videos. Really simple. See, so I'm sure you're a creator. You like to take photos. You like to take videos. Submit it, get paid when somebody download, and then if you want, you can refer your friends to do it too. Wouldn't take long, while watching a TV, just upload. You can upload on the app too. Really easy, very mobile friendly. As you can see, they have these Shutterstock has been around for nearly 15 years. They've done over $1 million, a billion, nearly over $1 billion in payout. You've got people from all over the world, Europe. You've got people in Asia, yeah, Nepal, Bangladesh, Indonesia. They're all making huge money there. Look, North America, $23.7 million. South America, 1.5. So you can see all these being paid out to people who are creating content, who are uploading their photos. So people are making money on this platform. Okay, guys. And let's have a quick look at this guy. I've got this guy here, which has done quite a bit of earning here. He has made over $42,000 just by uploading pictures. Okay, total download he got was about 2,000. So I worked it out: 42,419 divided by 2,071. It comes out to be around about $20. So he get paid $20 every time it download. You do the math, okay? And it's just you just do the work once. It means take a picture once or take your video once and just upload it once. And then that's it, guys. That's it, guys. Really, really simple. So I hope this video helped you. If you like it, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, put the like, give me a feedback, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.